This dance is called Promise. It's 32 count, 4 walks, and there are 2 tags. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot. Step to the side. Cross left over right with a touch. Touch. Step left to the side. Cross right over left with a touch. Touch. Side, behind, side, touch. Section 1 again. Side, cross, right, left over right with a touch. Step left, cross right over left with a touch. And side, behind, side, touch. Section 1 with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. Step left to the side. Cross right over left with a touch. Step right to the side. Cross left over right with a touch. Side, behind, quarter, scarf. Section 2. Side, cross touch. Right to the side, left, cross touch. Then side, behind, quarter, scarf. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, scarf, 8. Do a K-step. Diagonal touch, back touch, diagonal back touch, forward touch. Do the K-step again. Diagonal touch, diagonal back touch, diagonal forward touch. Section 3 with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section, make a 1-8, 1-8 turn to your right. 1-8 turn, another 1-8 turn, 1/4, and step left forward. And do a jazz box. Forward, cross, back, side, forward. Last section. 1-8 to your right. 1-8, another 1-8, 1/4, step forward, do a jazz box, forward, cross, back, side, forward. Section 4 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you finish the dance here. Let me do from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in this dance, there is a tag at end of wall 3. You will be facing 9 o'clock. The tag is out, out, in, in. With the count 1, 2, 3, 4. Another tag will be end of wall 7, which is also facing 9 o'clock. So tag 2 will be out, out, in, step, pivot half turn, step, pivot half turn. So tag 2, out, out, in, step, pivot half turn, step, pivot half turn.